Hi everyone. Let us see what we are offering you for self-paced course on LTspice Design and Simulation. So this will be a course for basics to advanced level analysis and simulations and all the results that will be presented to you. So basically, like a very basic circuit of, let's say you have a diode and how you are going to give the input voltage, which is V in, that is your blue one, how you are going to see the output, which is V out. So they are very simple that we see, right? So the key highlights of this particular session will be you will be having more than 80 like design and simulation projects that will be there with you. This course is designed by industry experts because like actual circuits are there which are going to be utilized in your PCBs and actual practical applications. You have a lot of hands-on like schematic designs and simulations and how to enter a schematic in your LTspice, similar to that, simulation settings, waveforms, and you will be also having 24 by 7, like supports from BKP Semiconductor Design, okay, or Balkishor Semiconductor. So what you are going to get is you are going to get your PDFs and design files both, as well as complete video links, okay. If we talk about syllabus, you are going to see how to download and install. So that is very basics, everybody should understand this, okay, but it will be also taught. And what is LTspice, what are the tool overview, basic schematic entry, and like wiring and simulation setup. This is must. Once you understand one of these, you are good to go ahead with your all advanced level simulations and like writing the code, or like you have some commands, all those things you can do that. And very basic like requirements of like how to place a components, move, copy paste, library components, placements on shortcuts, that and all will be a part of this particular syllabus. If you talk about some example circuits and simulations, like section, you will be having LTspice design and simulations and their examples. You have complete circuit design training as well. You have to understand like how to put a text, like let's say you want to put some comments or something, how to give a command like spice directives, and what are the different units that are utilized in LTspice, how to like input waveforms and modifications. You have several other circuits like simple voltage dividers, then you have current divider or current division, we have voltage, current and power measurements, you have cursor measurements on the waveforms, how to add or delete some waveforms, how you're going to write circuit using expressions like mathematical expressions, okay. Then we have like constant power circuit simulations, and most of like most important of these things is you will be having parametric statements or parametric simulation, okay. Then what are the different kinds of sources like voltage source, current source, PWL source, sinusoidal source, pulse wave, so pulse source, all those things will be there a part of the sources. Coming back to the advanced levels of the circuit designs, you will be having like filter simulations, you have MOSFETs and transistors characteristics, and MOSFETs and transistor will be utilized as a switch as well. Then you have actual component usage in circuit simulations. Coming back to op-amp circuit examples, diodes like standard diodes or Zener diodes, so those things also will be a part of this. Adding to the advanced levels, what we have done is we have also added resistor, capacitor, diode, MOSFETs, transistors, and many more simulation components with temperature dependent. Okay, so temperature will be varied. Let us say you want to simulate a component at minus 27 degrees centigrade or 25 degrees centigrade, 125 degrees centigrade. So what will be the behavior? Similar to that, you have application circuit with temperature dependent component that just now I told you. You have high side power switching simulations, basically how to transfer your power from battery to load side, right? And then adding to these, you have like let's say you have tolerance in your components. So for that you will be trying to go for worst case simulations, and then how to set for Monte Carlo simulations. In Monte Carlo, you have some waveform sources like let's say a Gaussian source or uniform distribution source and their analysis, how to put a switch debouncing simulations, how we are going to like change the component parameter from the library and modify them for our simulations. Also we will understand how to design regulators, okay, so like buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter. In addition to this, how to use ICs and their application circuit, right? So a lot of like ICs are there which is there at analog devices, and they can be directly simulated in LTspice with their design. All right. Also we have included like inductor circuit simulation, like inductor, how it behaves, then transformer designs, okay, like isolation transformer, flyback converters. And as I told you, like regulator simulation from analog devices, like those ICs can be directly designed. Then you have switching regulators as well from analog devices, okay. So few waveforms, like I'll just tell you like how to design like low pass filter and see the response. Then you have like PWL source, piecewise linear sources, like you can design your own source instead of having the utilization of existing sources. How to design the switching like switching circuit using a transistor, like see how it is switching on, and similar to that this BB goes off. Understood? Then we have like temperature dependent variation, like as my temperature of this particular capacitor is changing, the behavior is changing. So you can see there is little bit at higher temperature, there is a little bit difference, or it is going little bit lower, okay, the cutoff frequency. So this is the impact of the temperature on a component that happens inside circuit, okay. Similar to that, you have worst case analysis, like let us say you have some tolerance value, so how it is going to impact on your circuit output. Then we have like let's say temperature dependent of resistor. There are other components also you can always take down, okay. So this is a list of temperature that this particular circuit has been designed, and you can see the output voltage is varying because the temperature coefficients was 100 ppm for the resistor. Similar to that, we have Monte Carlo simulation. For that, we have like uniform distribution sources and Monte Carlo worst case, and like normal voltage source. What is the different like difference in the outputs, that is also covered here. All these things you can like take it down, and what you have to do for this thing is you can take down this particular course, and fee and timing is already there here. So the course fee is 1000 rupees for Indian students, and we have 99 USD for outside Indian students, okay. And this is self-paced course, like you will be getting all the materials and video links to your email. However, you might have some doubts or something like that. For that, we have given you a like a space to uh, put your doubts, and so that we can give you classes on that. So every Tuesday there is a class based on the request, like 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So what you can do is, if you have this particular file, you can go to this particular link, like an office forms, and register yourself, okay. Or otherwise, what you can do is you can directly go and scan this QR code and register for this course. One added advantage to this particular course is we keep like conducting some workshops as well, like every month or 2 months, and in that you can have particular sessions on advancements that is added by analog devices, or what are the things that can be added, what are the things that you can do in LTspice, that is also taught in workshops, okay. So let me give you a quick understanding of how your session will look like, okay. So see, this is the particular folder that you will be getting in your email after registration of your course. So some additional videos that I have given you. So these are the few videos that I keep adding here. Okay. And you will be, like getting these videos as a additional advantage. Okay. More than that, what you will be getting is these are the two PDFs that you have to go through. So once you open this, you will be having all the methods and what are the shortcuts, how to start LTspice design and simulations. Those things you will be getting here. Similar to that, you will also be getting here like other ones, like PDF number 2, okay. And you have LTspice design simulation course that just now I was explaining you. So that's the thing. Let us say This is the PDF that I just now explained you completely. So you can see, if you have this PDF, you can see the table of contents like design simulations, key highlights, about BKP Semiconductor, who can apply for these courses, what is the syllabus, and what are the projects that you will be doing separately after completing your project, after completing your courses, course fee and timing. Okay, so all these things are there already. Then we have added you LTspice Design and Simulation video courses. So in this, you have to go and you have to see each and every video one by one. So this is how, this is the self-paced video course link that is there available to you. And a README file is also available. In this README file, what you can do is you can go and read it how to utilize this particular courses. Coming back to the design files that you will be getting is all the circuit simulations. Let us say we are designing some circuits. Okay, so this will be having .asc file, and this is the result. So instead of entering by yourself all the time, like first few circuits you can design by yourself and try to simulate it. However, you might need to, like, quickly design and see the circuits. Okay, so for that, what you can do is you can go to this LTspice design files, and you have ample amount of, like, circuits that is there, like resistor temperature dependent characteristics. So all ASC files will be there to you. Understood? So any number of files, I mean, can be put here, and we are keep on updating this particular folder with new circuits that we keep designing. Okay, so all the .asc file will be the ones which you have to uh, refer. So if you do have still questions or something like that, you can always reach out to us on our contacts. So what you have to do is you have to mention this particular like number or WhatsApp or this email ID, and you can reach out to us for any assistance that you need. So all right, thank you.